Fuck these niggas. Fuck these niggas.
I need to make that intro longer. But yeah, I just rebranded my whole channel. Okay, because it's time for me to reapply for the monetization. And before I do, I want to make sure my shit is tip top tippity shape. Okay. And so I can't do it alone. I couldn't do it alone. Okay, clearly, because I got demonetized. So I asked my dear best friend, blah, blah, blah. Listen, Chat GPT. hmm Let me get some electrolytes going. All right. So, yeah, I've been doing a lot of rebranding. Okay. A lot of rebranding around this thing. Takes me forever to find that button. I need to do better. I need to turn that well, okay. Yeah. All right. Anywho, so I asked Chat GPT to help me rebrand my channel, Rockstar Influence, which is now Rockstar 2.0. I mean, it's still Rockstar Influence, but it's Rockstar 2.0. Subscribe. Anywho, yeah. It gave me all type of listen, Chat GPT is a must-have. Okay. And I did my intro. I did some intro videos on Canva. Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut is what helped me create this video right here. And StreamYard. Shout out to StreamYard. Referral code will be in the description. Okay. So that's what rebranding is about. Okay. And this is what this channel will be about rebranding and running it up. Rockstar Influence, Rockstar Entertainment. Okay. Just subscribe and stay tuned. So let's check out the channel. The Rockstar 2.0. Rockstar 2.0. No, for real. Like I said, this video would not be possible without StreamYard. The referral code will be in the description. If you use it, we both can eat, okay? Affiliate marketing, something else we will be discussing on this channel, okay? We need to learn how to run it up.
Fuck these niggas. Fuck these niggas.
Period. I need to make that intro longer. I just can't say that enough, okay? At least 30 seconds because that's really a whole song that I made on Suno, which is something else we will be talking about. AI creations, okay? So, today, if you haven't already, download Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT. All right? Those are the three things I use damn near on a daily besides TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. All right? And Google. I really don't do nothing else, much of nothing else. Figure out how to get some money and run it up. Okay. Need a little comedy, entertainment, and music in between. So that's what this is all about. All of that shit mixed in one. All right. But we not just one, we 2.0. Period. Period. Content creation, content creators on the rise. Okay. But yeah. It's my channel. Okay. Description, links. Okay. YouTube banner. It say I'm making that money, but I really ain't. Okay. Cause like I said, I'm demonetized. And yesterday I did a lot of editing to my videos. I deleted at least probably 100 videos from my channel. And they say don't do that, but who is they? Anyways. Okay. Um, yeah. We got a whole different mindset. We rebranding, rethinking, rejuvenating ourselves. All right. Rockstar mindset. Yeah. Okay. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and all kinds of shit. Okay. Holla.